cheese. Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some appetizers, a meal prep, and what I eat in a day. So let me get started. And I want to thank my subscribers. We have reached 500 subscribers, so thank you so much. I'll place it in the refrigerator for about an hour. I got 16 half jalapenos. I took the seeds out of them. I have 2.39 pounds turkey meat, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 of a cup of cheddar cheese. I have 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of pepper, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This is Italian seasoned ground turkey, lean. And that was about 2 tablespoons of fat, any kind of fat you would like to add to your meat. I also added 1 egg. I added 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. I added a teaspoon of thyme and a teaspoon of parsley to these Italian jalapeno poppers. I just placed them in the oven at 350 degrees for 60 minutes. Well, today we're gonna do some hors d'oeuvres, and also I'm gonna open a couple packages that I received in the mail, and the person that sent me these packages, we grew up in Arkansas together. His name is Bettye, so I'll let you see what he sent me. So let me just cut this open. I hope I don't damage anything the way I'm cutting it. My friend Bettye, he likes to take pictures of vegetables and things. That's what he shared with me on the phone. And he sent me some pictures of vegetables that I might add to my kitchen or breakfast room. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Look at that one. Just show you one at a time. Oh, I love lemons. That's a beautiful picture. Let me just show you a better picture. It's with a dark background. That's beautiful. That's gonna make a nice picture. And I always have lemons on my counter as well. So thanks for sending me this beautiful picture. See if I can get further back so you can see it. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, lovely. Squash. Beautiful. Beautiful picture. And here's another one that he sent me. Bananas and fruit. Very nice. Very nicely done. Oh, very nice. It's a smaller picture of the lemon. That's nice. Oh, and that's interesting. Very nice. I love the red sticks. I'm not sure what they are. I guess Buddy has to let me know what that is, but it's beautiful. Oh, that's nice. And here's another one. Nice picture. Oh, beautiful work. I love the pictures. Thank you so much, Buddy, for sending me these beautiful pictures. I'm gonna drop in the mail a thank you card, but I hope you're watching me on my YouTube channel. So thank you so much. This is a quick and easy recipe to take to a party. I took it to a party once before, and it's just dill pickles and bacon here. And it was such a hit. A friend of mine asked me to bring this to her party. She's having a Oktoberfest today, so I'm gonna take this dish with me to her party. So let me get started. I cut the bacon in half, and then I'm cutting the pickles in half, and then cutting them again in half. Like I'm gonna show you one that I'm gonna do. This one here. Just cutting it in half. Then I'm gonna turn around and just cut the stem off of them. We don't need that. And then I'm gonna cut them in half again. And that's how I make the bacon and pickle hors d'oeuvres. Real simple, real easy to make. You can buy your bacon already pre-cooked or cooked, and just use that as, you know, for your bacon. You don't have to cook everything from scratch. Cut it in half again. Some of these are smaller, so I'm not gonna cut them in half again. I just cut them in half, and that will do. I should have gone to Sam's and bought the pickles that I already cut, and that's much easier than, you know, doing what I'm doing right now. So usually I buy a large pickle jar of pickles, the dill pickles already cut, so you don't have to worry about doing this part of it. And they only, a big jar of them, only about $3 and some cents. I think I paid the same amount for this little small jar, and that is from HEB, when I could have really went to Sam's and got a very large jar of pickles already cut. Okay, and this is how you put them together. Let me do, and I got the little party toothpicks. So let me show you another one. Just pick it up. You can roll it around it and just place a party toothpick in the pickle. Okay. So next time you have a party, just make something simple like this. People really enjoy eating these little pickle bacon hors d'oeuvres. What I try to do is make the flat side of the hors d'oeuvres so it will sit up in the pan bottom. See that? That's the bottom part of it. One just sits up by itself. Party I took these to, people were not keto, but they ate these things like crazy. So just so you know, you don't have to be keto to love these hors d'oeuvres. So I think if you're gonna buy the pre-cooked bacon, I think you should probably cut them one at a time so that make sure that they will wrap around the pickle. I'm probably gonna use that whole bag. This is the bacon I use. I usually buy mine at HEB. It's fully cooked. When I had my restaurant, this is what I used as well. For the double cheeseburger or regular classic cheeseburger with bacon on it. So that's what I use. And it's a really good bacon. It tastes really good. Let me show you what the bacon and pickle hors d'oeuvres look like. They look gorgeous. So they are ready for the party. I kind of ran out of bacon, so I can't eat one. So this is for the party. So this is the prep I made. I made some fudge, chocolate brownies, some fried chicken fingers, under there baked potatoes, kale greens. Here's the donuts, mashed potatoes. They are not keto. So cream spinach, some mixed vegetables there, hamburgers, Bettye's burgers, and some baked tilapia. This is the cream spinach I made for the prep. A friend of ours is coming to pick up this food this evening. His wife just got out of hospital, so doing a meal prep for them. Today I'm doing a meal prep. I have prepared, prepped 40 pounds of chicken so it can marinate overnight, and then I'm gonna cook it on the grill tomorrow, along with some coleslaw and some pork chops, which is still in the oven right now. But yes, this is a big meal prep. This is my dinner today. I'm having some salmon and some chicken livers. These were baked in the oven, along with my Caesar salad here. I'm gonna add 1 avocado to this, which is not in here as of yet, so let me do that. Liver is so good. I just added some salt and pepper on it and just stuck them in the oven and baked them for 30 minutes. And they're really good. And my salmon, I got salt and pepper. That's about it. I let it marinate it for about 30 minutes before I prepared it. So these are the pork chops I made. So they look delicious. I baked them for 60 minutes. Added the half a lemon. So it is really ready. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the eye off. And when I pour it over the chicken, I'm gonna just use a sieve so that the garlic will not be in the sauce. I got my sieve here. I'm not going to pour it all over here. Really don't need all of it. Let's save it for the wings. And now I'm going to sprinkle the Parmesan cheese over the chicken. And it looks good. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.